In March, the UK government ordered that all places of worship shut their doors as part of the wider lockdown to mitigate the spread of coronavirus. Since then, no one, except perhaps the vicar, has entered the buildings. Some churches continue to worship online via Zoom, Facebook, or YouTube, but the buildings stand cold and empty. In the porch of my local church, the notice boards forlornly advertise services which did not take place, and future events that probably won't either. Like many organisations and groups, people are questioning much about their future, their role in this lockdown period and beyond, but this isn't meant to be a sad reflection. Our vicar placed a single plastic box in the porch. On it she printed a label inviting those who had enough food to place some in the box, and those who didn't have enough to take what they needed. Sadly, even in this mostly prosperous village, people did indeed need to take some beans, pasta or tea away to feed their families. But what gives me hope and thankfulness, even in these strange times, is the number of donations that have poured in from across the village. Very often now, one box is nowhere near enough to hold the generosity that people have donated. This box and 3 crates are routinely filled, and sometimes multiple deliveries per day from this porch go to the Morecambe Bay Food Bank. So why not spread a little hope where you live? For in the words of the prayer of St. Francis of Assisi, Lord, make me an instrument of your peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Where there is injury, pardon. Where there is discord, union. Where there is despair, hope. And where there is sadness, joy. Amen.